y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, with another day here at the shop, another video for y'all, man. We got some great cars coming in. We got people calling from across the nation. Thanks for you guys for watching. Thanks for you guys for subscribing, man. Thank you guys for the support. Truthfully, I can't explain to you in words how grateful I am, man. God has truthfully been good to us, and He blessed us with you guys and being our subscribers in this channel, with Mr. Real helping to build this channel, man. I'm so grateful. He told me many long time ago to do a channel. I never wanted to, but now that we've done it, man, I just love it. I enjoy it so much. I want to give y'all what's going on today in the shop. We have a couple cars here. I'm gonna show you this beautiful Camaro here. We sold the wheels and tires on this one back maybe a few months ago. We're actually doing a full custom build. He had this car done somewhere else and he wasn't happy, so we got the privilege of building him a custom box with Nemesis Audio H-Series subwoofers. We're going with a 3K amplifier. We're gonna have this one situated hopefully today. The box is in the process of getting built right now as we speak to get this car moved and out the door. Then we also have another guy here came in. He's a firefighter from Arlington. This is a beautiful Scat Pack, man. And I'll tell you one thing, it is gorgeous. I love the wide body. I love the wheels. I love everything about this bad boy. We get the privilege of getting this car today, rocking and rolling. We're building this one with a Pro Audio build, Audio Legions. We're doing our Nemesis M series subwoofers. We're doing a 2K. We're doing a 1600.4. We're doing tweeters, the control mock. I mean, everything you could possibly think about. That can be done today too, man. So this is kind of what we're doing today in the shop. All right, guys, because the guys are rocking and rolling here in the shop. We got this vehicle came in for a system install. We got this bad boy over there going for that base install. We got bad boy base heads here locked and loaded. We got Mr. Josh locked and loaded. Mr. Smoke Train, look like a smoking. Look at this train, y'all. Look at this vape. Yeah. Oh, what'd she say? What did you just say?
I asked if you were still gay.
Yeah. Why you have to be still gay?
God, you didn't put the thing.
Oh, he's advertising that he wants somebody to give it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what it is, Drew? Yeah. He is gay, you see, he told you. And that's that.
I really am trying to stop. I really am.
Cool, guys, look what we got. Nemesis away, guys. We got everything flowing in there. You can see, look at the merchandise going into these vehicles right here. We got the H-Series is right there. We got the M's down there. We got the 3K, 2K, subwoofers, everything going to these two builds. We also got the custom build box that I'm gonna show you in a minute once Drew figures how to open the trunk on here. I disconnected the rear trunk and now I can't get the trunk open, so I'm gonna give Drew a few minutes to figure out how to get it open. I'm gonna show y'all. We got a custom built box for this one. It should sound great, should sound amazing, man. So y'all, we've been flying and rolling around here, man. We got the beautiful Challenger here. Y'all probably seen them in all the meets in Dallas. We did some lighting on it. Now here goes the funny part. I instructed my technicians to give him a quick disconnect so that he could disconnect this thing when he has to do service. Hold on. So he could disconnect it when he has to do service. Well, they did the disconnect. You see it? But the problem was that they zip tied it. So how is he supposed to have a quick disconnect when they zip tie for the guy? They're fixing that for him right now and getting that situation situated. We got this car had completely came apart. Y'all can see front speakers are out. Working on the dash. Got the speakers in the back removed. Everything on this one getting ready to roll. If we start getting this bad boy built, you can see the amp rack we got down there. Everything is rolling, man. We have a lot of work, but we have a big problem. We got this Chevy Camaro here. We're working it today. We closed the trunk. The trunk does not want to open. We can't figure out why. We got the box inside. We tested it, closed it, not opening. Sometimes you go through headache when you do things, man. But it just comes with the territory of doing what we do. So we're gonna have the guys remove the seats and see if we can get in there and figure out exactly what's going on with her. We'll keep you guys posted and we keep on rolling. So as y'all can tell here, we're trying to get operation, get the Camaro open. The trunk is not opening, y'all. So we removed the back seat, removed the back woofer. We're getting to the key locks. We're trying to figure out how to open the trunk. All right, guys, so we got Operation Dodge Mopar, 6.5 Pro Audio installed. Factory tweet is being removed. Going in with the aftermarket Audio Legions. I'm gonna show you right now. Here we go. Audio Legions, replacing those. Pro Audio here. Pro Audio in the back. Josh, how you feel?
Alright.
You alright?
Alright.
Alright, cause we got that going. I'm about to get this bad boy out right now. Pull out this amp rack that's here. And go ahead and wrap it up in black carpet because she looks nice and beautiful. So at this point in time, I went ahead and got the part already ready. She's wrapped. I'm gonna test it for fitment. Make sure that everything looks and wraps right. Fits like a glove, y'all. Y'all see that? Because that's already done. Now what I'm gonna do on her now is start getting the wires ran, start getting the amplifier put in, start finding locations, make sure I like everything the way it goes, start getting my wire connections done, and have it rolling pretty soon, guys. Oh yeah, because this is what's going on. We actually got everything coming in the car. We show you got the amp rack. Now when you get it to doing the bypass of the amplifier, come over here. Let me invite y'all by. So down here is the factory amplifier, and look at the harnesses that we use to do the bypasses. Look at the wire that we run to get to our amplifier. So they call this a 9-wire because it has a 9 wire, 2 for the front door, 2 for the other front door, 2 for the rear door, 2 for the other rear door. Then it has a remote wire, which makes it a total of 9 wires. These 9 wires get the signal we need from our new amplifier to come to this car to be able to come and get all the stuff powered. This is what I'm at right now, getting a 9 wire installed to start running all the wires and start closing the car together, start putting it back together to have the customer deliver today. So I'm gonna get to the wiring. I'll come back to you in a few seconds.
One debt to society later.
All right, cause we're getting this done, guys. The customer had previous wires installed. One of the issues that we're having, that we have this looking like this, because we're trying to find out with Drew, we had no audio playing from the radio, but we put our unit. So basically to test, we get a phone with an RCA, we add the RCA, we put it together to the unit. I'll show y'all real quick. Go ahead and plug that in, Drew, while I vlog that. We put this in here. See, we got bass, and now we put the factory RCAs in there. And we have to take that out, put the other ones in there, his RCAs. And we no longer have no audio, and we did the tuning on it. So long story short, guys, we got to throw some RCAs in here, so let's roll on that. All right, y'all see this vert? Put it up, so I'll change the copyright, but go ahead, let me hear the bass. Turn on. Bro, perfect bass. Y'all can't hear it over there, but we definitely can, man. All right, so let me show you what we did. Y'all see this flexing over here? Put something here because y'all can see it, look. All right, pop the trunk here. Let's take a look at this bass that we just did for this young man. Got a convertible banging, sounding great, sounding hard, man. Look what she got. This is H series, 3K. Nice and glowing, nice and clean, nice and done. We got this one coming out the door right now. We got her on right now. Look what the amp install is looking like right now. Let me light it up for y'all, so y'all get an idea. We're getting it ready to close up and get it going, y'all. We're about to listen to this one and see how she's sounding, get it twisted and get it going, man. But we're rolling on this one, man. And this, y'all, is his subwoofer. Check that bad boy out. That's getting ready to go installed there. Into this bad boy, as you see it building it, man. We're doing some testing. We're having a problem with the rear channel. We'll see what's going on, but we'll find out very shortly. Let me get back to it. So I'm with my client and we got the whole thing done. Mr. Emilio's here, about to test his car out and check his bad boy out. But it's funny because the first thing he told me the top goes down. I said, yeah, that's why it was a custom build. Yeah, you can put the top down, you can put the top up, you do whatever you want. It's all done. What 2.8? But I want you to listen to it real quick.
Don't forget about the yin-yang twins.
I gotta stop because of copyright reasons. I can't get copywritten on my videos, but so I had to stop it for the reaction. But what was your reaction on that?
That sounds good.
Say it loud. I want YouTube to know. Sounds really good. Was it more than you thought you were gonna get?
Yeah.
Now drop the top. Let's see if the top really worked like I said it does. So that's the biggest thing with convertibles, man. Getting bass to work through the car, have it hitting hard, which this one does, but I can't show you for copyright. But made the alarm go off, and on top of that, he's putting his top down. Look at this. Top down on the convertible, all the way down. His top is completely down on his car, and he got the Ace installed.
Top down.
Huh?
Top down.
You're the one. Go get big. I can edit over here for copyright. Now he got his top down on his car. You still got room. You see there's no pressure. You can feel it right here, no pressure, and no pressure in the back. So you are completely done. Emilio, you wanted it? Did we deliver? Are you happy? That's all I gotta say, man. So Mr. Emilio, he actually brought me an old car. We got this one done for his daughter. Now we got this one done for him. That alarm's going off. Let's go inside. We did this one for her. We did this one. In fact, I'm gonna show it to y'all because I was in Puerto Rico when this one got done. But let me show you what we got going on here. We did this one in Puerto Rico too. We did him a wall, had it nice and built. If you want the same wall I can there, you want to make sure that you were happy with what you had. But if you built the wall, it looked nice and clean. So that Camaro, signed, sealed, and delivered. He's happy. That's all that matters. Now we're gonna go finish up the Challenger and wrap up our day.
Got you my cushion. Yeah, that's on me, baby. They bitch car 150, and I'm all 3, baby. I'm the big dog. See how this shit I got out with a splash of expensive color.
Yeah, this is a late night. I got done with the car. I had to put in one of my bays. I'm actually taking the client's car to deliver him, but I'm going to go ahead and prank him. I got my wife right there. I got my wife watching. You're gonna follow me? Yes, ma'am. So my wife is following me, Mrs. AUDIOZONE, right now as I jump in the client's car to go deliver to him. I'm about to prank him though. Y'all watch this. All right, YouTube, so I'm actually in Arlington with the customer's car. As y'all can see, I'm inside the car. I'm about to call him on the phone on speakerphone and tell him that we're closed, that I'm about to deliver his car tomorrow. The deal was to get the car back today. So I was thinking of either telling him I crashed the car or tell him that I'm not gonna be able to give him the car till tomorrow, but since he's a firefighter, then I decided to go with you can't have your car tomorrow, which means he has no ride home. So let's call him and see what he says. Put him on speakerphone. Papi, how you doing?
What's going on?
Not much, Papi, not much. I'm going to wonder what time tomorrow you want to pick up the car.
Ooh. So he's not bringing it back tonight?
No, there's no way to get it there tonight.
Oh, because I don't have to ride home.
What time you get off of work?
7 in the morning.
7 in the morning. Ooh, that could be tough. And we're actually closed tomorrow, so it's time to be Thursday. I guess I could meet you in the shop tomorrow to get it back to you.
Yeah, oh shit. I gotta find a ride home then.
Yeah, man. She's done and all that. It's just a matter of getting you the car.
Right. Oh shit.
And on top of that, I think that if I'm not mistaken, yeah, I mean everything was done that I remember. Yeah, so I mean that shouldn't be no problem.
Damn it.
It's 7 in the morning, ain't gonna be nobody up at that time to go get you.
Yeah, because I thought y'all was gonna bring it back today.
Man, that's what the original plans were, but it got late when they finished it and the driver gone.
Yeah, damn, I wish you would have called me. Shit.
That's kind of crazy, man. 7 in the morning, that's really tough.
Yeah, I know. I work 7 to 7.
Yeah, I know. I know you work 7 to 7. That's kind of crazy, though. Oh, man. I wish we could figure this out.
There's no, because you won't have it inside your shop, right?
Yeah, it's locked inside the shop.
Right.
It's locked inside the shop.
Damn.
I can send somebody to go pick you up right now if you want.
But I can't leave my fire station.
That's crazy.
Because I'm a driver.
Because you're the driver for the fire trucks?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy, man, because that's kind of where it's at right now. Is being able to get it to you, you know?
Right.
That's the only issues that we have.
You know, look at you right.
I saw you looking at me now. Come outside, man. I got your car, man. He's right there, man. And you know, we're talking to him. I'm glad though. He was a little worried as y'all saw, but we're about to reveal his car to him and make sure that he's 100% happy and make sure that he's good, man. I know how I would feel if that would happen to me. The arrangement was to pick up the car from him at a job and deliver it. He is a fireman. He supports the community. So we wanted to do for him. We actually got the car picked up from his job. It's pretty distance away, but we picked up the car from him and we're here to drop it off to him and to show him his whole reveal, make sure that he's 100% happy. And that's pretty much what it is. So like I was talking on the phone, he started looking through that glass and he actually saw his car here. Cause you already know it's a man's instinct, man, when the baby's there, but we're gonna go ahead and show him his car, man, and reveal it to him and see what his replies and response is. So this is the owner of the car, man. State your name for everybody on YouTube, cause you know you're gonna get vlogs.
Yeah.
Tell them who you are, man. You got an Instagram?
Corey Alexander.
Corey Alexander, cause baby, you look, your baby's here. I came and dropped it off with my wife. I want to watch it. I want you to hear it. I want to reveal it to you. I want to see if we got you expectations and got you done whatever you wanted us to do. I thought you were about to start tracking the phone through Uconnect, because that's kind of what I would have done. I would have been like, man, let me track my car, make sure nobody out to drive my car, playing around my car, man. But you know, she's good to go. So let me go ahead and show him what he's got and get him going. Actually, on this video, there's gonna be the whole build. So you see the speakers we put in, the tweeters, the amplifier location, the subwoofer. You get to see the whole build throughout on YouTube. But I want you to get in there and actually listen to it and see what you believe. So I can cut you guys off because I can't get copywritten. Alrighty. So we get to go through this. One of his petition was that he wanted to have a box that sat all the way in the back so he can have his room.
Yeah, for all this stuff.
For all his gear. You wanted the line, I gave it to you behind your line.
Yeah.
So you heard it, you like the sound.
Yeah.
The bass, the box is good enough size for you.
Yeah.
Now let's go down to your other stuff you wanted in your install on your light. Everything's mounted down here. You got 2 different fuse blocks. They run 2 different amplifiers, one for your vocals, one for your mid-range. These are all your fuse blocks that you have here. Everything's zip tied and so on. Your connections are here, grounded and positive are here. These are going to be your 2 fuses. So whenever you have any, if you ever have any kind of issues, they're independent. Yeah. They're not shared off of one block. They're separated fuses, so you can, you know, do what you have to do. Everything else stays stock in factory. You're good to go. You can mount and do whatever you want to. You're good and go. You got a 2K, you got a 1600.4. You got everything that you wanted on that boy. So guys, I actually think that I pranked the wrong guy, because this guy worked for the fire department and he could do some other kind of prank that maybe I wouldn't like. But I got the car delivered to him like we promised, man. It was after hours. I could leave the shop at 6. The car was done already at time. But I didn't want to hit that traffic, man. If y'all don't live in Dallas, 360 and all these highways are so bad. I did not want to hit that. So I decided to just go home and take care of my family and get everything situated and come out delivered after hours. I know it could be here for 24 hours. I was hoping no emergency happened that y'all would leave, because I was planning on doing. So I'm gonna tell you the 2 pranks I had for you. My 2 pranks, and I wasn't gonna prank you, but the 2 pranks that I have for you was either call you, tell you, man, I'm on my way there, somebody just hit my car. But
your car?
Your car.
I was like, woo.
No, but the problem is,
you know what I was gonna say? I'm about to give me a Hellcat. One Hellcat.
Well,
why, buddy?
but you know what I thought to myself? It wouldn't work because you're a fireman. There's accidents, you guys usually hear everything in the radio, and that wasn't gonna work. So
yeah, you know,
talking
it would have been up on my computer.
You're the accident 360, whatever, yeah. But then talking to my wife, I gave her both ideas, and she said, you know what, it's not that bad, let's go ahead and do that one. And run it back there, you know what, I gotta do it to you. But I got the car signed, sealed, delivered. Everything's 100% good. I know it, I verified it. Do you have any questions for me?
No, man.
Now I got a question. You came to the shop with some expectations. You wanted to have your car sound a type of way.
Yeah.
You wanted to hear a certain type of thing, and you didn't know really what you were about to get into. You just heard what we recommended, and you've heard it before. From what you have right now, as of right now.
Because I want to go with the 110, and
I remember that.
210s, it was 112. But
like
I like old school music though, you know. So I like the.
What kind of old school?
You know, like I like blues, like Betty Wright, and you know all those Johnny Taylor.
Before we leave, I want you to. I'm gonna close this vlog up for y'all in a minute, but before you leave, I do want to hear that. And I'm gonna show you the songs that I use for details, man. But we got the car delivered to you as of right now. You demoed your car. What's your opinion about the car?
It's what I wanted. Because I didn't want to put it together.
Man, I'm glad that we got it and we got your expectation, man. We really want to thank you for giving us a chance to serve you. Hopefully, not only did we do this car for you, but we keep on doing your business from here on, man. But you know what I'm saying? As right now, we got the car delivered to you, man. I want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. God bless. Be good.
Oh, yeah.